Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I am filming what I spend in a week. It is Monday today and I have spent no money. It's been amazing. I'm eating dinner right now. I just got out of class and I'm gonna have some leftovers, which technically are free since I bought them yesterday. But I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me this week and showing you a typical week of what I spend. Obviously every week is different. Tomorrow I'm taking my car in to be serviced and I know it's gonna cost probably a lot of money. Oh, I'm very popular over there. But yeah, today, no money. I just did class for 4 hours and then I've been editing all day, just eating out food that I have here. I'm gonna film this until Sunday to get an accurate representation. If you guys like this video, I'm gonna do a different version with my monthly expenses, showcasing like literally everything that I have to pay for every single month. So if you want that video, give this one a thumbs up. I'm gonna heat up my Thai food and enjoy the fact that I spent no money. I love days when this happens. It doesn't happen very much because I feel like I'm always like running errands and spending some amount of money, but I'm so happy that I'm not spending any money. It's great, great news. All right, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. We'll see how much I spend. Premium, please. Thank you. First spending of the day, gotta fill up with gas. I had less than a quarter tank, so we'll see how much this costs. Yes, please. Thank you. You too. All right, $45 to fill up pretty much my entire tank, but that was technically 2 trips to the mountain there and back, so that's not bad. Gas prices are going up though, so it is what it is. I am filling up my tank less now that I'm going to the mountain, a little bit less, so that's nice. Now to go pick up Doug and go take my car in. Woo! New whip for Doug! Ooh, I like it. All right, we didn't have to pay yet, which was good, but he did say it was like $610. I thought the A service was supposed to be cheaper.
Maybe it's because of the 40,000 mile one.
Oh, I
more
see.
stuff to check in.
Yeah, we don't know if we'll stay at the dealership forever. The dealership life is expensive, but I do like the loaner car and I do have a car fund, which makes it really convenient so that my wallet doesn't hurt when I have to pay for this. Because I just take it out of the fund.
This thing is a control for that, right?
Yeah, but it might be a touch screen. Yeah, it is. All right, this is not a car review, but we were just checking it out to see how skis would fit in here. And there's a whole extra row of seats, so you could seat 7. But there's no leg room. See, look, no one's legs could fit in there.
Yeah, you'd have to, the whole other seats have to go
push forward.
Power forward.
How cool. And it's 25% off. It's crazy. I know, it's such a good deal. Okay, so what we are looking for is a gift for the happiness box that I'm sending to my friend who's going through a really difficult time. I have most of the stuff already. It's also kind of a graduation gift at the same time. So we're gonna see what we can find. And I went to paper stores, everything was too expensive. I'm trying to cut it down a little and get her like a lot of little things. So I gotta find the right stuff. So we finished our shopping spree here at Bridgeport. It's a dangerous place. You can spend a lot of money very easily. I got the white bowls. They were on sale for extra 25% off, so they're like $11. And I do this sometimes where it's like, I don't know if I'm gonna keep the bowls or I'm gonna give the bowls away to a housewarming gift, but if you buy it while it's on sale, you end up saving a lot of money. I got my friend's grad gift, this cool embossing label maker. I have this and it's great, and I think she will really enjoy it too. It's cheaper on Amazon, but I really need to get this gift mailed out to her today. So biting the bullet, didn't save as much money because the Amazon one comes with some of the actual labels. The last thing that I got her is from Crate and Barrel, and it's this adorable like cactus grow kit. I would show you, but it's all like in here, and it's really cute because it's in this little pot, so it kind of doubles as room decor. I'm almost done with her package now.
Stand on top of a mountain, shouting out your name. I could stand beside you, playing my part in your fame.
price here. Jason and I just got done with our day of skiing. We got lovely tropical drink. I got a Boneyard IPA. Cheers. Ho ho ho. This is gonna be so good. Luckily tonight's dinner is free thanks to my wonderful parents for providing this meal. Bon appetit. Good morning guys, happy Wednesday. I am at home. I did school this morning, cleaned the apartment, checked all the emails, the usual stuff. I am now having a little snack, some pretzels and carrots and hummus before my dad comes and picks me up so we can go pick up my car. I was skiing all yesterday and doing school so I really didn't miss it, but it will be good to be reunited with the car. I'm bracing myself for how much it's about to cost. Monday and Wednesday I was doing really well with the money spending and now it's about to like pick up a lot. It's gonna pay for the car. Obviously like I only have to do this once a year. It'll be interesting to see how much I spend this week and then I'll probably subtract this expenditure because it's probably gonna be the majority of my spending, but I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna ship off my friend's package. I just worked on like a bunch of little things writing it for her, so shall be a productive day and I will take you guys along. We'll see how much I spend on this lovely Thursday. We got the official spending report. It cost me $611.23 for my car to be serviced. Now this service usually costs less than $300 because it's supposed to be the less expensive one, but they had to replace the brake fluid. But honestly, better to put that stuff in there and me not have to replace my brakes. I'm wrapping up my friend's package and it's looking really cute. Everything has a little note inside. Hopefully she likes it and it makes her smile. I'm gonna top it with tissue, put one final little note that says that it's the little happy box, and then we will ship her off.
They say the day dies when you meet your match, so you probably hope that I cut you some slack and that wouldn't be too bad.
That was actually not as expensive as I thought it was gonna be, only $11.75. I think I'm used to shipping things to T1 in Tennessee where it's like so expensive for this tiny little box, but that was actually a pretty good deal. Hopefully that's all I spend today, but I might have dinner with a friend, so we'll see what happens. Scout and I just got takeout from the food carts and with tip, I got this for $10.35. It looks literally amazing. I forgot my camera, so I'm filming on my phone. Sitting out on the patio enjoying the gorgeous weather.
By the morning, you know you, man, always want more in the morning. You're high, my good God, yeah, you feel so smooth when you come through. I see you on the next page in the wreckage of the family flames, handing out the blankets to the family's brain. Baby, I'm a young lover down on my luck, undercover as a stick in the mud. I'm a fixer-upper, and if you're a nip-tucker, well, I can be your partner, man. I can be your partner like Jen and Chris Tucker without touching you. I can't do it without touching. If there's asking too much, we can just close the book. Don't you wanna know if you're supposed to look? I wanna know if you know my name. Or should I go? Should I go? Say.
Hello guys, happy Saturday everyone. I just spent more money on Chipotle. This is probably gonna make me feel disgusting. I'm really hungry. I've been up since 5:30 and I'm about halfway through my CNA class for the day. I get out at 5:30. I did pack a snack, but we only get like one long break, so I thought like might as well eat a large amount of food now and then I can always go back and eat my snack during like our 15-minute break. I'm gonna tell myself not to eat this too quickly so I don't feel disgusting. The day is going well. I got a bunch of skills checked off, like DCing a Foley, getting a urinary sample from a Foley, emptying a drainage tube, just lots of fun stuff. Oh, I'm dropping everything. Now I forgot how much I spent on this. I should have gotten my receipt, but I'll put the price here of how much I spent on this. Hopefully this is all I spend today. I do tend to reward myself on days that I have class. I also haven't done like a ton of grocery shopping, so I really don't have lots of food at my house. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.
I mean, you know I ain't lying, 'cause I hate wasting time. You said soon we'll be leaving this place, no life to find. How you been looking hella fine? Start with the
Hello everybody, we are back. It is the following week and we are now back to do the grand totals of what I spent this week. On Monday, we did fantastic, $0. Tuesday was a whopping $95.43. Wednesday, $15. Thursday, $633.33. Thursday hurt a little bit. Friday, I spent $37.95 and Saturday, I spent $7.65. Sunday, I spent $28.45 with a grand total of $817.81 in 1 week. Now, that's a lot of money. If I did subtract how much it cost to get my car serviced, it brings our total down to $206.58, which is actually really good, and I would say tends to be more on the low end for me. I would say I spend probably at least $300 a week just from like what I can see on my like Mint app. So actually I did surprisingly well. I think because I didn't do like a big grocery run, that definitely brought it down, because like I could easily spend $75 in a grocery run. I was mostly eating up food that I already had here, which was nice. But dang, that's a lot of money. I mean, everyone says this, but food costs so much money. And so I just try to keep it as balanced as I can. If I'm gonna eat out a lot, then hopefully I have leftovers that will carry me through, or maybe I don't buy as many groceries that week so I don't have to waste food. You really just gotta like look at it like that, what works for your life. There is no perfect like what you should be spending. I really do want to do some like challenges eventually of like, is it cheaper to eat out as a single person, or is it just as, you know, cheap or expensive to buy a bunch of ingredients for meals? Because I'm really curious. I'm almost convinced that I can eat out just as cheaply, because the way that I cook requires quite a few ingredients just for myself. It's kind of a lot. One day I'm gonna do a video like that, because I'm so curious to know. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Today's question of the day is going to be, what is your least favorite thing to spend money on? I hate spending money on gas. That's probably my least favorite. I love you guys so crazy much. Next video is going to be the most insane video you have ever seen, maybe, on this channel. So make sure that your post notifications are on, because I don't know when it's gonna be up, but it's gonna be a surprise upload and you guys are gonna be surprised. I love you guys so much. I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I will talk to you soon.
I only worry that I'm crazy, 'cause if it's all true, well, it's all true. I mean, you know I ain't lying, 'cause I hate